The 5 whys is a problem-solving approach that helps uncover the root cause by asking why multiple times. This method allows us to dig deeper into issues and create focused and effective solutions. Steps to implementing the 5 whys. First, identify the problem clearly. Define the problem so that everyone involved understands the issue we are trying to solve. Example: why are customers unhappy with the product? Answer might be the product is damaged. Keep asking why for each answer until the root cause is clear, usually after 5 questions. Example: why is the product damaged? And find out that it's scratched during shipping. We ask again, why is it scratched during shipping? And discover the packaging is too thin. We keep asking, why is the packaging too thin? And uncover that the materials weren't checked for quality because there was no review process in place. Involve stakeholders. Ask the people involved in the process for their input to gain more insights. For example, ask the packaging team, how can we improve packaging to prevent damage? It's also important to focus on facts, not assumptions, so we check the packaging records and confirm the materials used didn't meet quality standards. Avoid blame. Ask questions that focus on improving the process, not blaming individuals. For example, instead of saying, why didn't you check the materials? Ask, how can we ensure materials are reviewed properly in the future? The 5 whys is ideal for simple problems, quick fixes, and promoting continuous improvement with minimal resources. The 5 whys help us look closer to find the real cause of problems, turning challenges into chances for growth and improvement.